Welcome back. Today we're going to learn how to arrange names or even text alphabetically in Microsoft Excel. So first we're going to open Microsoft Excel and then we input our data. As you can see here in my worksheet, I already have my data. So in the first column, you can see here the list of names. So what I want is to arrange these names in the alphabetical order from A to Z. So first, we're going to highlight our data. We highlight the names and their respective information. Then we go to data. And then we click this icon. So this icon arranges names from A to Z, while this one is the other way around. So from Z to A. So in this case, we choose the A to Z. Now, as you can see in here, the names are now arranged in alphabetical order. So we have Alfred as the first name here, and then Susie as the last name here. Here is a short demo. Please watch. Well done! Thank you for watching. Subscribe and like the video. See you in the next video.